beautiful. How are you today? It's a good day, right? Oh, don't worry. Welcome to our spa. Here, I will take care of you. I'm Noah. What's your name? A beautiful name. Let me check it here for your appointment. Great. So, here on the computer says that you are just on time. Your appointment is for facial cleanse and a mask and then some massage with cream, right? Perfect. So, do you want something to drink too? No? Are you okay? Perfect. If you change your mind, just let me know. Great. So, dear, first please sit comfortable, and I'm going to put this on your hair. That way the hairs won't fall on your face when we are putting the cream or the treatment. So let me just... Great, that's one. Perfect. And we are starting with a little cleanse. I have here my cotton pad, and here I have my favorite cleanser. This is Hydra Calm Makeup Remover. It's soft and smells so good. Drops will do. And please stay still. I'm going to clean here. Let me know if you feel comfortable, okay? This face treatment will be very soft, but let me know. Don't worry. On the side, the other side, of course. And with two cotton pads, I'm going to remove all the dirt you could have on your eyes. So please close your eyes, and I'm going to put this here. Good. Perfect. Now, for the hydration, I'm going to use this tonic. It's a facial mist. This will help to refresh and hydrate the skin. It's like the first step before the mask. Close your eyes, dear. Good job. A bit here. Very carefully. Amazing. And I'm going to use this facial serum. This is totally natural, so I think will make your skin shine and glow. Okay. Look at me. Good. A few drops. Okay. And I'm going to tap. To give some little taps on your beautiful face here. So the serum will absorb very, very well on your beautiful skin. You are so pretty. Yeah. You have a skin so soft and beautiful. It's perfect. Amazing. Your skin is glowing. Now, I have mask, a cream mask. It's new, so I really want to try it with you. Just let me know. How it feels on your skin. Going to apply it with this little brush. And I need you to stay still for a moment. Good. And here. I'm going to apply it very softly over your skin. On this side too. And here. Okay, I think we are all set. Now, if you want, you can close your eyes for a bit. I will come back in a minute. Okay? Great. Close your eyes. Let me know if you need anything and just relax. Okay, dear, are you ready? Please open your eyes. Perfect. The mask is ready, so I'm going to remove it with a cotton pad, just a little bit, since this is a creamy mask. This will stay on your skin. So here, the side, forehead, nose, under your eye, on the other side. Amazing. Looks great. And to finish, of course, I'm going to give you a little face massage. I'm going to apply just a bit more of cream. To hydrate a bit more your skin. Here. And a little bit on your ear. And on this ear too. Perfect. Great. We are done. Your skin looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Okay? Great. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you still can't sleep, please check out this video.